Hi everyone, it's Sandy with the Artistic Vegan Kitchen. Banana nut bread is one of my favorite comfort foods. And although I like to bake it all year round, there is just something extra special about eating a slice of warm banana nut bread on a chilly fall day. Get your cozy beverages ready because it's time to make my delicious banana nut bread. Be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 to 20 minutes before baking. After gathering all the ingredients, place the bananas in a bowl and smash with a fork. I like to use my potato masher to get them quickly and evenly mashed. For a twist, I like to add dandelion tea to my banana bread. If you'd like to try it, just open 2 roasted dandelion tea bags and mix the contents of each bag in a blender with 1/3 cup of water. Add this mixture to the mashed bananas and combine well. Then add the oil and the sweetener to the bananas and dandelion tea mixture. In a separate bowl, mix the flour and the rest of the dry ingredients together. Now pour in the banana mixture with all the dry ingredients and combine well. If you want to add raisins and/or nuts, carefully fold them into the mixture after all of the ingredients have been combined. To evenly distribute the raisins throughout your bread while baking, lightly dust and cover them with flour before adding them to your bread batter. You can do the same when adding nuts unless they are finely ground. Now spoon or pour the batter into a greased and floured baking dish or pan. You can use baking spray instead of a floured pan. You can sprinkle lightly chopped nuts on top of the batter, but watch your baking time carefully to prevent the nuts from burning. Place the pan in the center rack of the oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the top of the bread is brown and a toothpick comes out clean from the center when inserted. When completely baked, remove the bread from the oven and let cool, then slice and serve. I hope you enjoy a slice of this delicious banana bread today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you will always know when I upload new videos.